Good evening. This is your US market report for Thursday, April 2nd, 2026. Wall Street wrapped up a wildly volatile session today, one defined by surging oil prices, geopolitical fear, and a stunning late-day recovery. While the closing numbers look modest, they don't tell the real story. The Dow slipped just 61 points to close at 46,504. But listen to this. The Dow was actually down 600 points at the open. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq managed to claw back into the green, gaining 0.11% and 0.18% respectively. Why the chaos? It all traces back to one word: Iran. Geopolitics and the oil shock. Following President Trump's address warning of a massive response against Iran, the market hit the panic button. WTI crude oil exploded nearly 10%, briefly touching $113 per barrel, a level we haven't seen in 4 years. The tension eased mid-session on reports that Iran and Oman are discussing a joint protocol for the Strait of Hormuz. This critical waterway handles a fifth of the world's oil, and any sign of stability there was enough to spark a dramatic afternoon comeback. As one strategist put it, equity markets are starting to go numb to the volatility in crude. Sector winners, losers, and Tesla. Unsurprisingly, energy was the undisputed leader today. Giants like Exxon, Chevron, and Occidental Petroleum all surged 3% or more. On the flip side, airlines took a heavy hit as fuel costs darkened the outlook for Delta and United. In the tech space, it was a mixed bag. Netflix gained 2.6%, while Meta declined over 1%. But the big story in individual stocks was Tesla, which fell more than 5%. Tesla's Q1 deliveries missed expectations, coming in at roughly 358,000 vehicles. Perhaps more interesting is the news that Tesla is repurposing its Fremont lines for Optimus robot manufacturing. All eyes are now on their April 22nd earnings call for clarity on that pivot. Corporate news and the long weekend. A few other quick movers. Globalstar skyrocketed 12% on rumors of an Amazon acquisition, and Starbucks launched a Back to Starbucks revival plan involving performance bonuses for baristas. Meanwhile, institutional interest in crypto remains high, with a new survey showing 73% of big investors plan to increase their allocations this year. Looking ahead, US markets are closed tomorrow for Good Friday. However, the labor market doesn't take a day off. The March jobs report drops at 8:30 a.m. Eastern. With oil sitting above $110 and geopolitical tensions high, the big question for the long weekend is, how much risk are investors willing to carry into Monday? Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the trends. I'll see you in the next update. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to join our investing community. Also, hit that bell icon to stay updated on the latest market trends. See you in the next one.